On today's episode, I'm repairing a quarter panel on a Jeep Wrangler.
Quarter panel repair. So I had to weld a tab on here to get this last little bit out.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Boy, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money at a blow.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 96 of Inside the Bodyshop. Hope you guys are having a great Monday. Back to the grind. First thing this morning, when I got to the shop, I had a Jeep Wrangler, had to repair the quarter panel on. This one we were debating on to repair or replace this back corner of this Jeep Wrangler. I'm not sure exactly what you call it, maybe a taillight pocket. It's a little different design than most cars, so I'm not sure exactly what the technical name for it is. But we were debating on whether to repair or replace it. We decided to repair it, and it actually came out way better than I thought, so I was real happy with it. Got that, all the metal knocked out on that one, and got the taillight fitting correctly. Sent that one over to Josh to do the fill work because Eric is on vacation this week, our normal guy that does most of the fill work at our shop. So sent it to Josh to do that, and then I dove back into the Honda Civic, the hard-hit one from the last 3 or 4 days I've been working on. I've been bouncing around a little bit on and off of it because I've had other stuff that had to get done as well. And this one's real time consuming, so I've been bouncing around a little bit, but got back on that one, and I actually got that whole car welded together today. So all I have to do tomorrow is do a little more grinding and dressing of welds and this and that, seam sealer, and then I'll send it over to Josh to do the fill work on that one as well. So it's coming along good. I'm happy with it. But that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you do, be sure to click that share button. It really helps me out and really helps get my content out to a lot more people. So thank you guys. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day.
All right, on to my first one of the day. I have a Jeep Wrangler quarter panel repair. Just this back corner, I guess it's quarter light, tail light pocket area, I guess is what you would call it. I don't even know what they technically would name that, but I'm gonna knock that out and get it over to Phil, and then I'm gonna get back on this Honda Civic from last week. So I had to weld a tab on here to get this last little bit out. I couldn't get a good grip on it from the backside, so this should do the job though.
Just a quick little tool tip for you guys. Now this is a body hammer. I bought a set of body hammers on Amazon. Came with hammers and dollies. I think it was around $35, $40, somewhere around there. Came with 3 hammers and a bunch of different dollies. Real cheap kit, but the reason I bought it was because I wanted to make some short throw hammers. So I actually cut this hammer off, cut the one end off that I didn't need, and just kept the points. And I have 2 other ones with different shapes, different ends on them. And it's just a cheap way to make some short throw hammers, and it worked out really good for this situation, so I could get inside this taillight pocket and hammer this area out. Just a little tip of the day so you don't spend a fortune on different hammers from all the tool guys. This is a cheap way to do it, and it works out perfect.
Alright, it looks like this taillight sits nice and flush all the way around, except for across the bottom I have a little bit of a gap. I'm going to try to bring that metal out a little bit. Right across at the bottom of this light, just a couple millimeters, 1-2 millimeters, and it'll fit just right, and then it'll be ready for fill. Alright, now I have this light fitting very nicely. So I'm going to send this one over to Josh to do the fill work on, because Eric's on vacation this week. And I'm going to get back into this Civic. Alright, I got the back of this car all welded together. I'm going to go ahead and lift the quarter panel off. I have to put glue throughout this area, and then I will sit it back on and start welding it. Alright, time to set this quarter panel on for good this time. Now I put 4 or 5 holes in different corners around the panel before, whenever I had it all fit up, and now I'll put sheet metal screws back in those holes, and that makes sure it's sitting in the exact same spot that it was whenever I fit it up. Alright, I got this one all welded together, dressing all my welds. I got a little more cleanup to do on it in the morning, but that is a wrap for the day. I'll be back on it tomorrow.
I stay putting in that work.